Hello guys, myself Randall Abhishek, USN 1V20CS130. So in cloud computing today we will discuss about machine reference model. So here are the contents we are looking for today. Virtualization recap, need of virtualization, machine reference model, security rings and privilege mode. So what is virtualization? Virtualization is a key component of cloud computing as it enables cloud providers to efficiently utilize their physical resources and offer flexible and scalable services to customers. Cloud providers use virtualization to create virtualized environment that allow customers to run their applications and services on virtual machines hosted on cloud infrastructure. So next, what is the need for virtualization? Enhanced performance. It will enhance your performance, limited use of hardware and software resources, shortage of space, and eco-friendly initiatives, administrative cost. So now coming for the machine reference model. At the bottom layer, as you can see, the model for the hardware is expressed in terms of the instruction set architecture, ISA. Here you can see which defines the instruction set for the processor, register, memory, and interrupted management. ISA is the interface between the hardware and software as it is important to the operating system developer, system ISA, and developers of application that directly manages the underlying hardware. The application binary interface stands for ABI. It separates the operating system layer from the application and libraries, which are managed by the operating system. ABI covers details such as low-level data types, alignment, and call conventions, and defines a format for executable programs. System calls are defined at this level. This interface allows portability for applications and libraries across operating systems that implement the same ABI. So next, coming to the high level of abstraction is represented by the application programming interface (API), which interfaces the application to the libraries and for underlying operating systems. So continuation, the instruction set is exposed by the hardware has been divided into different security classes that defines who can operate them. The first distinction can be made between the privileged and non-privileged instructions. Non-privileged instructions are those instructions that can be used without interfering with other tasks because they do not access shared resources. This category contains, for example, all the floating, fixed point, and arithmetic instructions. Privileged instructions are those that are executed under specific restrictions and are mostly used for sensitive operations which expose behavior sensitive or modify the control sensitive. The privileged state, for instance, behavior sensitive instructions are those that operate on the IOs, whereas the control sensitive instructions alter the state of the CPU registers. So here is the diagram. You can see the ISA, the lower level, middle level ABI, and the higher level API. Security rings and privileged mode. Here are some ring 0, 1, 2, 3 consecutively or in consecutive order. Most privileged is the supervisor mode is the ring 0 and the ring 1, 2 and 0 come in privileged mode, and the last one, ring 3, that is the least privileged user mode. Possible implementation features is a hierarchy of privileges in the form of ring-based security. Ring 0, 1, 2, 3, and ring 3. Ring 0 is the most privileged level, as I told. Ring 3 is the least privileged level. Ring 0 is the used by the kernel and the operating system. Ring 1 and 2 are used by the operating system level services, and ring 3 is used by the user. Recent systems support only two levels with ring 0 for supervisor mode and ring 3 for user mode. Thank you guys.